Welcome back everybody to another video. In this video we're doing spark plugs on this Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2-liter turbo. I'm going to take you through step by step, tell you everything you need to know, all the part numbers you need to know, and hopefully save you some money. So like, share, subscribe, and let's get into it. Step 1, pop the hood. The spark plug coils and the spark plugs are underneath this cover. It's 4 10mm. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are your coil packs. You need to pull up on this plastic piece here, like so. Then you can push the black, wiggle, pull, and it comes off. Do that to these other 3. Each coil is held down by 1 10mm bolt. Remove that. Now that they're unbolted, wiggle the coil side to side and pull. Set them off to the side and remove all 4 of them. These are the spark plugs we're using, Iridium IX LFR6AIX. You're going to need 4 of them. The coil boots, we're using Standard as a brand, SPP176E. To get the coil boot off, you just grab it, pull it. There's a spring inside. Notice how the little tang is right here. We're not going to save that. We have this rubber O-ring here. You're just going to pull it down, and that'll go in the garbage. Then you grab the new one, slide it over, push it till it's in the groove, like so. Then you're going to push that in there. You want it to lock in like that, so I can't pull it out. Then you take the new one, push it over, give it a little spin, make sure it's seated, and that's all there is to it. Now I'm going to clean it off with a rag, and just a damp rag, and get all the dust and dirt and grime off. These are already pre-gapped, so I'm not going to screw with it. Use a 5/8 spark plug socket, and we're going to put a little dab, like a pea-sized dab, of anti-seize on the threads on the lower part here. We're using a 3/8 ratchet, long extension, and a 5/8 socket, spark plug socket. And we're going to remove them one by one and replace them one by one. So we're not going to take all of them out, because God forbid something falls in and you have to tear the head off to get some stupid little nut or a bit driver or anything. So I don't risk it. Wow. These look like factory. Look how burnt the porcelain is. So, pretty insane. This anti-seize stuff is pretty nasty. You don't want it on your hands. So we got a little pea there, and I'm going to rub it in with the gloves into the threads, like so. Now let's put it into our tool and screw it in by hand. Now that you have them all in finger tight, you're going to go through, hold the ratchet like this, because you do not want to over torque this, and you're just going to go till it stops and your hand jiggles, twitches, whatever you want to call it, where you can't turn it anymore from this amount of leverage, and then you're all good. Do not over torque this. You will strip the head and cost yourself thousands and thousands of dollars. If you want the real number, go ahead and look it up. I don't do that. I just do it by feel. And the faster you can learn how to do it by feel, the faster you can work on any spark plugs on any engine. For this next step, you're going to need dielectric grease. You're going to open this up. Now that you have this new one, we're going to just put some around the edge here. And I like to put it on the outside so it doesn't stick to anything either. So you're going to rub it on the inside a little bit. Rub it right here on the outside. You're going to do this to all 4 of them, and then we're going to install these into the vehicle. To reinstall this, you're going to go down. Once you get to where it's touching, you're going to start wiggling side to side and pushing down until it's bottomed out. And then we can put this 10mm bolt back in. You do the same thing for all 4. When you're tightening the coil bolts, do the same thing. Just snug them up. This is probably like 5 foot-pounds. Do not go crazy because it's just a metal insert and a plastic valve cover. Now we plug in the coils, set it, plug, set, plug, set, and plug and set. Coils should be good to go now. Last step is to just put that cover back on. Hopefully this video helped you do this work yourself, saved a bunch of money. If it did, help me out on Patreon, $1 a month. That's 12 bucks for the whole year. That's like 1.5 Starbucks coffees. Help me out, it means more than you think it does. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Till next time, wrench on.